How many of you have a Tammy Tattletale? The one that goes, Jeff hit me. And then you have two types of teachers. One teacher that looks around and she's already checked out, and she looks around and goes, Jeff, stop it. And the other one that does this crazy thing called standing up, and then looks around and goes, Jeff's not here today. See, we talked about buttons. You think your kids push your buttons. A child meets you for the first time. They do whatever they normally do to get a response from someone else. And then what you do is you literally create this. You put it on, anytime you make a sad face, an upset face, a distraught face, whatever it is, you literally put this easy button on your head, and then when a child does something, you believe the child is doing something to you, and then you believe that's what's happening.